Hi, I'm Diana at the Anacortes Public Library, and I want to tell you about the newest thing you can check out from the library, and maybe the coolest. You might have seen some of our STEAM kits. We got some really incredible donations through a grant to buy some amazing things, and one of the coolest is these Korg Volca Synthesizers. There are 4 different kinds that you can check out with your library card, and I'm not an expert at these at all. So the cool thing is you get to check them out and figure them out. So I'm gonna mess around with them a little bit here to just give you an idea, but you can check it out and take it home and make some music of your very own. So each kit is gonna come in a bag with headphones, and then there's the sample one. Here is the Beats one, which I particularly like. And then we have the keys, which you might kind of recognize down there. And then last but not least is the FM. So, bring your library card. You can check these out with your student card as well. These are more expensive than most books that we have, so make sure to take really good care of them. And come have fun and make some music with the Anacortes Public Library.